In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink and relink OneDrive to solve sync problems. Sync issues with OneDrive can be quite frustrating, especially when you're trying to ensure that all your files are up to date across devices. Luckily, the process of unlinking and relinking OneDrive is straightforward and can often resolve these common issues. We begin by taking a look at the OneDrive icon situated in the system tray at the bottom right corner of your screen. It might be hidden, so if you can't immediately see it, click on the small upward pointing arrow to reveal additional icons. Once you've located it, right-click on the OneDrive Cloud icon and select Settings from the menu that appears. In the Settings window, head over to the Account tab. Here, you'll see an option that says Unlink this PC. Clicking this will disconnect your computer from your OneDrive account. You'll receive a warning message informing you that all files will remain in the OneDrive folder on your computer, but they won't be synced to the cloud anymore. Confirm your choice by selecting Unlink Account. This step can resolve several sync issues as it effectively resets the connection without affecting your data. Now that we've unlinked OneDrive, the next stage is to relink it to your computer to restore syncing functionality. To do this, go back to the OneDrive setup process. Search for OneDrive in your Windows search bar and open the OneDrive app. You'll be prompted to enter your email address to sign back in. Once logged in, OneDrive will ask you to choose your OneDrive folder location. It's usually best to stick to the default unless you have specific needs. Click Next to keep using the folder location. For most users, this will help ensure consistency and avoid confusion later. You'll then walk through a few short onboarding steps explaining some features of OneDrive. Pay close attention to these instructions, especially if new options have been added since you last linked your account. Once you've completed the setup, OneDrive will start syncing your files. You can keep track of the progress by clicking on the OneDrive icon in the system tray. If everything is functioning correctly, you should see a green checkmark on the icon, indicating that your files are up to date. In case you encounter any issues, remember that you're not alone. OneDrive's support page has a wealth of resources. Though, you should now be equipped to tackle those pesky sync problems with ease. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions or tips to share about handling OneDrive sync issues. Until next time, happy syncing!